So my name is Angren Xiao. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering Technology in New York City College of Technology.
My name is Leonardo Cuevas. I am a CLT in the Mechanical Engineering Department. I teach students how to program, operate, and set up CNC machines, the lathes, CNC mills. I also help students in the manual machines, the manual mills and manual lathes.
This room is the machine shop. It has all the machines we use for traditional manufacturing. It has the lathes, it has the mill, it has the drill machines. So we also put this thermoformer over here so it can be used right after we create a mold on the traditional machine. We, as strong believers of learning by doing, we actually have students go through the entire process of designing product from the concept to doing the create 3D model on the computer and then create the tools, in this case the mold, and then using the thermoformer to create the final product. They can use different methods to create the mold, the clay, wood, traditional way, or use 3D printers, which they usually prefer, or if they want more permanent mold, they can use CNC machine to do the mold with aluminum.
What I like about the Formac machine is that we can use different types of plastic like ABS, PETG, acrylic, plexi, and it's great for students. It's flexible and it's a small machine, compact, and produces great detail in all your parts that are thermoformed.
And also it's maintenance free. You can turn them on and you can turn them off after you're done. And then you can leave the machine in the lab for the whole summer. And then next semester when you need it for a lab, you can turn them on. 5 minutes later, it's ready to be used. We believe this machine fits our requirements very well and we are very happy with it.